I remember one time I was working for this company, and me and my manager, we both actually left and went to a different company, and we both got hired in as store managers. And we were sitting around talking about how we negotiated our salary. And I never forget him saying, look, I don't get out of bed for less than 50,000. And I was like, touche. So it is with binary options. When you compare it to Forex and futures, it's just not worth me getting out of bed. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So again, we are wrapping up the year, and let's do a little housekeeping going into the new year, because I keep getting asked the question, can you do more binary options videos? Are you still trading binary options? The answer is no. Okay, for 2025, I will not be trading binary options. I will be not showing any binary options videos. Okay, and the reason comes down to I got to break it up into two sections. Okay, it comes down to math and morals. All right, so the reason, if you just got to have a reason, the reason I'm not trading binary options anymore comes down to math, comes down to morals. Okay, let's deal with math first. All right, this cannot be debated, by the way. All right, and let me open your eyes to this. If you just don't know, you may be new to trading altogether, right? And this is exactly why I'm making this video, because if you're new to trading altogether, if you just found this channel, let me lay it out for you how the marketplace is, the trading marketplace. Listen, binary options has the worst odds, period. Out of any market whatsoever, the binary options market has the worst odds. All right, and I know trading is not gambling, but I'm gonna have to make a lot of gambling correlations here for you to understand what I'm saying. All right, the most you can make in binary options is 92% of whatever you put up. Okay, so you put up $100 and you win, you can make $92, right? That's a negative risk to reward ratio. No matter how you slice it, how you dice it, it is. Okay, so here's my example, right? Because again, that's not worth me getting out of bed, even at 92%. All right, and that's at 92% OTC, which has a very high probability of being manipulated. All right, now if you trade the real market, you got a better shot, but now they're only offering you 87%, 75%, ridiculous low payouts, which is another reason why I'm done with binary options and pocket option in particular. So check it out. Here's an example. The other day, okay, I risked $150. I started with one contract. I risked 3 points. That's $150 of risk. All right. The trade made $1,000. Let me explain to you how I made $1,000. I risked 150. The trade went in my favor. I got up 4 points. So at that point, I'm up 50, 100, 150, 200. I'm up $200. I then added on. Okay. So I was up. I started with one contract at three points. I got up 4 points. I added on. When I added on, my entry dropped back 2 points. Okay. Then I moved to break even on both of them. So what I did is this. I was up 4 points. My entry moved back 2 points. Then I moved both trades above the break even. So at that point, I'm up $100 on the first trade, right? I have $100 of risk on the second trade. So I actually reduced my risk from 150 to 100. But now I got 2 contracts running. All right, I'm killing the math in futures, people. Okay, but now I got 2 contracts going. That's the beauty of adding on once you get up. So up 4, you really get up 2, move above that though. Now you got to stay alive. It's a high risk that you get knocked out. If you get knocked out, guess what? It's a wash, because you was up 100 on the first contract, you was down 100 on the second, but you actually locked in a tick. So you actually will make $7, $25, something. You'll make some money, okay, if you get knocked out. But if it keeps running like it did for me in this case, I made $1,000. All right, but my initial risk was 150. Okay, you cannot do that in binary options. It's not possible. There's no way because of the negative payout that's built into the system. The math, people, the math doesn't work. For you to make that same $1,000, excuse me, for you to make that same $1,000, the only thing you could do is this. You would actually have to risk, let's say 110. I don't even know if it's 110. Is it 110? 10 times 92%. Okay, 110. You would have to risk 110 10 times in a row and win all 10 trades. And you didn't risk 150 once and made 1,000. You actually risked 110 10 times. Okay, so that's totally different. Now the other thing that you could do is you could set it at 110, have a setup, and you could hit the buy button 10 times, but you're not risking 110. You're risking $1,000 to make 920, or it would be more than $1,000 if you was risking 110, right? Do you see how the math, all right, the math doesn't play out, all right? And that was just an example with futures. I can give you the same type of example with Forex. And Forex, I kid you not, people, I be risking like, man, $12 to make 70. I be risking, 25, make 100. Listen, man, listen. If it's not at least a 3x, 4x, again, I'm not getting out of bed, okay? I'm probably not even taking the trade in Forex if I can't get a 3x. I need a 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x, because I'm actually not trying to get the whole thing. Like once I'm up a 1 to 1, I lock in. Once I'm up a 1 to 2. Oh man, I'm locking in. I'm not greedy. Hey, that's money made. If I risk $25 and I'm up 50, lock that 50 in, baby. Again, you cannot do this in binary options, people. The math doesn't add up. It's the worst odds anywhere. Okay, this is my last example, and we're gonna go on to morals. This is my last example. You would do better going to the casino. You would do better going to the casino than trading binary options. Let me prove it to you. At the casino, if you take $10 and put it on number 6, if the person rolls a 6, you make $12. That's a positive reward. It may only be $2 profit. Well, it's actually it's $10 profit. It's what you put up plus $2. Again, you put up that same $10 in binary options, you make $9.20 if you win. You might as well go to the casino. In the casino, you could take $10 and put it on hard 10. I think it paid 1 to 4. See what I'm saying? If you win, you make $40. You put up 10, you make 40. My point is this: even at a casino crap table, your the math is more in your favor than binary options. So that's it, people. Okay. For me, a person who has the skill set to read a price chart, right? I'm doing the same thing. I mean, in binary options, I'm reading the price chart. That's how I did it. I was reading the price chart. I'm looking for second entries. I'm looking for higher lows, right? I can find those exact same setups in Forex and futures and make 4, 5, 10, 6x on the same trade. See what I'm saying? If I take the same second entry in binary, Forex, futures, and I win all 3, the difference though, I'm only winning 92% here. Here I may win at 4x. Here I may win a 10x. The same exact trade, all right? So for people who are, hey, I may lose a lot of people on this channel because I have been doing binary options since I started this channel. In this video, I may see a whole bunch of people unsubscribe after this. So be it. Here's why. It wasn't binary options that you enjoyed, right? Their chart is awesome. I love pocket options chart, right? It was very good for me to teach from. You could see the price action real good. And so I love teaching from their platform, to be perfectly honest with you. But that's not what it was. Price action, people. Okay, it was price action. That's what really That's what caught you. That's what made you keep looking. Somebody was able to explain the chart to you so that it didn't look like mumbo jumbo. You know, it wasn't like looking at the matrix anymore. I explained price action to you in a way that made trading easier. Okay, so that's the bottom line to that. It's the price action, and if you learn price action from me, you can take it anywhere. Don't just be stuck on binary options. Now, if you're in a country and there's nothing but binary options, I understand you gotta do what you gotta do. Hopefully you could at least trade Forex. It seems like Forex should be everywhere, but you may not be able to do futures, but maybe you could do Forex, right? But it's the price action that matters. So I'm gonna tell you, you might not, don't stop watching. The price action, it's the price action, it's the price action, okay? Before I touch on morals though, I want you to ask yourself this question too about binary options. Ask yourself, why don't they have any volume indicators? Like none, like zero. Because it's not real, right? There's no volume to show you, right? It's not a real, it's a computer program of past price action that they just grabbed from somewhere. It's not the real markets. It's not happening live. That's why they don't have a volume indicator on the whole platform. I'm just telling you, they can manipulate it, right? It's not real. It's a computer program. Anybody can manipulate a computer program, right? So that's something else to take into effect. And this is what people have been telling me, hey man, they've been manipulating me, this, that, and the other, which leads us into, which is a great segue into morals, right? This is the second reason why in 2025, don't ask me about the binary options. don't even ask me about it. Here's why. Listen, I started this YouTube channel 2 years ago. I started trading binary options 2 years ago. The reason I started this channel was not to be teaching y'all. Okay, that just happened. That just happened. I started this channel so that I could hold myself more accountable to my trades. I was trying to increase my discipline at the time, and I wanted to have some proof in case I got cheated. Okay, so let me tell you a story about pocket option. For those who don't think manipulation happens, okay, I already know they hit me for a real, I'm not even gonna put the number out there. They hit me for a lot of money. All right, they hit me for some people's yearly salary one time. I know that they be cheating when you start hitting them in the head. They gonna get you. They gonna get their money back. Okay, but let me tell you about this other story. I had recorded a trade. When I tell you it was a clear win, I'm telling you I had video proof. Okay, I had video proof that my trade had won. You could see the zeros, right? You could see the expiration was all at zero. You could see the price was still under my entry. It was undisputable video proof. Let me say it again. It was undisputable video proof. Here's the kicker. I sent that in to Pocket Option. They said, nah, our system said you lost. The kicker of it to me was this. Not just that they just completely said, who cares about your video proof? The kicker was, to me, I start saying I'll leave, I'll take all my money out. You know, I was threatening them. What all I had was to say I could pull my money out. They was like, leave if you got to. Right? They was like, leave if you got to. Here's the kicker though. We were only talking about $50. I want to say that the trade was $50, right? They are so greedy. Pocket Option. They are so greedy. Instead of just giving me $50 when I catch them red-handed, they were just like, leave if you want to. All right, we got plenty of other people to rob. Leave if you want to. $50. I mean, I've been with quite a few brokers, right? And when I had some legitimate concerns that was some sketchy activity, I've had brokers give me money back, right? I've had brokers be like, we can't really tell what really happened on that trade. We'll give you that trade back. I've had that happen. I've had money put back into my trading account, right? Pocket Option, undisputable proof, $50. They're like, nah, we pocketing this 50. So I'm telling you that story because I'm going into the morals, right? I didn't ask to start teaching on YouTube, right? I told you why I started. I didn't ask to have the responsibility of trying to lead people to different, what are they? Different platforms and different trading tools that they would need. I didn't ask for none of this. Okay. But since I'm here, right? Since I am producing content on YouTube, since there are brand new traders, they green, they don't know what to do, what broker to go with, what to trade, right? I have a responsibility. To the best of my knowledge to promote places that are going to do you right. Okay. I cannot say that about pocket option, right? And sleep well at night. I couldn't have somebody be like, hey man, I see you trading binary pocket option. They good broker. I can't say yes. You know what I'm saying? I've always been like, hey man, they sketchy. Here's the rules I've learned. If you gonna go with them, right? I'm not going through that in 2025 no more, right? And it's, I'll admit, it's somewhat of a YouTube thing. It's somewhat of a YouTube thing that I don't want my personal brand, right, connected to any business that's shady. I have a moral responsibility now, to say, man, nah, not them. All right. And I'm gonna explain something to you. Because I use Osprey FX for Forex. I use Ninja Trader for futures. You go look up Ninja Trader, award-winning platform. All right. Osprey FX, I haven't looked. They use Trade Locker, which I love, but I haven't looked at deep into the company. But what I can tell you is their customer service is spot on, bar none, top of the food chain. Take profit trader, customer service, top of the food chain. Osprey FX. Let me just give y'all this story. Osprey FX, right? At the end of the week, I want to take some profits out of Forex. I do a withdrawal from my trading platform to the back office at Osprey FX, right? Then I do a transfer because it's Bitcoin, because I'm in the US. I do a transfer of Bitcoin from Osprey FX to Coinbase. Do you guys know that whole process takes 30 minutes? Okay, that whole process takes 30 minutes, and the Bitcoin is in my Coinbase wallet. 30 minutes. Hour tops. Don't think I've ever seen it take an hour. 30 minutes, okay? You do a withdrawal from pocket option, 2 days to 2 weeks, right? 2 days to 2 weeks. Tell me why that is, people. The whole purpose of Bitcoin is to be able to move money faster for lower fees, right? I use Osprey FX. I get my Bitcoin in 30 minutes. You use pocket option, 2 days to 2 weeks, all right? I haven't ever heard anybody say they never got their money back from pocket option. I never have heard that, but I'll tell you, pocket option, just the fact that y'all take that loan to give me my money, it gives me, you know what I'm saying, Ponzi scheme vibes, okay? I have been a victim, and most people are ashamed to say, hey, look, if you ever heard of COTPS, they got me. If you ever heard of, what was that other company? Novatech, they almost got me. I got out of there in time because I was able to see the light fast enough. But I've been a victim of Ponzi schemes, right? Whenever those payments take too long, there should be instant. Now, again, I've never heard of anybody saying pocket option ain't giving their money back. But just the fact that you're holding my Bitcoin for an extra week makes no sense. When I got another broker who also accepts Bitcoin and they're getting it to me in 30 minutes. Okay. I got a little off track with that. But my point is this. I have no problem telling people to go to Osprey FX. You feel me? I have no problem telling people to go to Ninja Trader. Feel me? I have no problem telling people to go to Take Profit Trader if you want to do a prop firm. So moving into 2025, I have to align my brand with companies that I know gonna do you right. All right. Pocket option is not one of those companies. So I can't. 2024, that was it. I have over 600 videos on this channel. Probably 4 of them, it has their site on there. And so, if you still want to trade them, there's a ton of videos here for you to go back and look at to learn how to trade price action on pocket option, right? We don't need any more videos, to be honest with you. Okay. But this is the last thing I want to say. Because again, I have that moral responsibility to send you in the right direction. And some of you don't understand this. I'm giving you good advice here, man. I'm giving you good advice here. You guys don't understand how much money I could make. Okay. You guys really don't understand how much money I could make if I truly promoted pocket option. And let me explain. Okay. I'm part of a few, I just named off a few, you know, Osprey FX, I have an affiliate program. I'm in their affiliate program. Take Profit Trader, I'm in their affiliate program. Pocket Option at the beginning, I was in their affiliate program. Let me tell you why I ain't pushed nobody to Pocket Option in years. Well, in a couple years. First of all, like I just said, all those other reasons, but that ain't what I want to say. What I want to show you is how the money is made. Okay. Pocket Options affiliate program pays by far the most amount of money. Is actually nuts. It's actually crazy. Like what Take Profit Trader gives you for your affiliate commission, peanuts. What Osprey FX is giving you for affiliate commission, peanuts. Pocket Option, on the other hand, let me tell you. At one point, I might have had like maybe 8 affiliates, 10 at the most, and I was looking at like $500-$600 a week. Do you hear what I just said? I had like 8 to 12 affiliates. I was looking at like $500 to $600 a week. Okay. What I'm trying to tell you is this: these Russian women that y'all see out here who's trying to get you to sign up for their Telegram, who's, you know, sign up under my affiliate link, deposit at least $50, you'll get my free Telegram signals. These people have 100, 200, 500 affiliates. Okay. They're making $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 a week. Okay. They don't care about making money with Pocket Option. They're not actually trying to win. They're making a living, and a good one, I might add, through Pocket Options affiliate program. So I'm giving you insider information. So believe me when I say, if I did not care about you guys, right? If I was in it for affiliate commissions, believe me when I say there's no way in this world I wouldn't be promoting Pocket Option. They are by far the highest paying affiliate program I've ever come across, period. And I mean, you're talking every Monday. Check. Let me tell you what's funny. What's funny is that in the affiliate program, when you do a withdrawal for your Bitcoin, same day. Same company. When I was withdrawing as an affiliate, same day. But when I withdrew as a trader, week to 2 weeks. Somebody help me figure that one out. So I'm telling you, I'm giving you guys the insider scoop here. It's over for me, right? I morally cannot promote that company. I know that they are shady. I don't know how they're doing it, you know, but they're just the payouts, right? But I'm going to end with this. For those who are sad that I'm leaving Pocket Option behind. I want to leave with this. You know, all things work together. Okay. I spent the majority of my trading career in the Forex. I did a couple years in futures where I learned price action. I just stumbled upon Pocket Option 2 years ago while I was on vacation at Disney, and I was like, oh, this is fun. That's what I said when I saw it. I said, this is fun, and I can apply price action to it. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell you is this. I didn't get into the Pocket Option game expecting that was going to free me up, or expecting that binary option was going to lead me to financial freedom, right? It's just something I tried on vacation, and it was fun. And I started making videos. But what I want to say is that all things work together, because I brought price action trading to binary options, and it has blessed thousands of people at this point. Okay, because people, I've heard it so many times. Jay, I was losing until I found your channel, right? And this is people who were trading Forex. This is people who was trading futures. This is people who was trading binary options, right? So what I'm trying to say is that I completed my assignment, right? It's time to move on. I completed my assignment. I brought price action trading to binary options where it was most needed, right? It was needed. People in binary options were not being taught how to trade correctly. They had no idea about second entries, no idea about higher lows, no idea about the market cycle, no idea about ranges. I brought price action trading to binary options to the small group who, was blessed enough to find my channel. But I've heard it over and over and over and over again, right? That after I found your channel, I started winning. So here's what I'm saying. My assignment is over as far as binary options is concerned, right? But what you learn, don't miss out on what I really was teaching, right? I wasn't teaching binary options, no such thing. I was teaching price action trading. And you can take price action trading anywhere, as evidenced on this channel. When you see me go right from binary options right over to futures and start winning instantly. That didn't happen by chance. It happened because the same rules that I followed in binary options, I converted over to futures, and the results are just so much better because the game is designed so much better. It gives me more of a fighting chance, right? I have a more of a better edge. The risk to rewards, I can put them way more in my favor. And I'm trying to tell you guys, for what I have for my course and my community for 2025 is we were already at this level. We are going here, people. We are going here. It's in my head. I've been doing it. My win percentage is through the roof right now. I'm just trying to get it all. You know how I do. I take in information, I simplify it, then I spit it out. That's where we at. So it's gonna hit the course real soon, early January 2025. I'm just trying to get it in my head and simplify it, right? So that it's super easy when I drop it on the course. Y'all know how I get down, right? I take the hard things in trading, I make them simple. So that's where I'm at for that. This coming January 2025. But as far as binary options go, bye baby. My assignment is complete. I hope you understand. For me, it came down to the math, it came down to the morals. And in 2025, I don't want anything connected to me nor my brand that I can't be proud of, that I can't, stand tall on, right? Osprey FX, I haven't had an issue. Get my money quick. Trade Locker platform that they use is awesome. Ninja Trader, haven't had a problem. All good. Take Profit Trader, excellent customer service. Once you pass those challenges, you ain't got to pay monthly no more, daily payouts. I'm trying to tell y'all, you know what I'm saying? My small little, stuff that I use, that I promote. Hey, I ain't using no junk. That's why Pocket Option got to go, right? I'm not new people coming online. They don't know the difference between none of this stuff, right? If they see me using Pocket Option, they gonna think it's safe. You know what I'm saying? Oh, JD using it, so it's probably cool. Hey, JD had to learn the hard way too. And I knew how to dance around and do my best. Real pairs, higher time frames, okay? But listen, you can take the same setup in Forex and make way more money. So it just does not make sense. It just doesn't. You risk $50 in binary to make 42. You risk $50 in Forex, you can make 250 on the same exact trade. The math, people, the math. So I hope you guys understand. For those who gonna be upset and leave the channel, hate it for you, because what's coming in 2025 is serious. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna end with this. This kind of really off beat, but I just want to end with, because this came to me, but I had this thought. You guys know I don't promote my community a lot, but this month I had a couple people leave the community, and I mean that's normal. You got turnover. It's normal, but this month is so different because of what I got coming that I said to myself, like, man, I almost want to email these people and say, give it another month. Give it another month. You are 3 feet from gold, right? So I do not know what just happened on my camera. It just said battery exhausted. So I hope I don't need another internal battery or something for this camera. I don't know what's going on with that because I got it plugged up. So how can the battery be exhausted? But what I was going to say was that for those people who just left the community, I was going to say, give it another month, man, because you are 3 feet from gold, because you do not know what I'm about to drop in 2025. Give it another month. I just got to trust me on that one. And after another month, we're talking $10 here, people. After another month, if you still just like, nah, it ain't for me, because maybe they binary and they know I haven't been pushing binary like that, you know. But listen, if you're a Forex trader, if you're a futures trader, especially if you're a Forex trader, you want to holler at the community, give it another month, okay? But that's it. That's what it comes down to me. It came down to the math, came down to the morals. So I just got to say, bye-bye binary options in 2025. So this is a great time to like, share, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you. All right, check the description for all the links on the community, on the course, for everything you need to make a splash in 2025. All right, till next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sun. Bye-bye.